don't come again, and this not talk for on top was Obia TV. Everybody go surprised. Why will we not start the show? But yes, everybody get opportunity to start good things once in a while. And today, na my turn. Yesterday, na Amaka turn, and unfortunately, our beautiful Amaka, she know they inside the building. We don't send them because hunger don't they catch us again for on top the show, and we send them. She go bring black soup. Come as Queen Bee and we there is a black soup. We don't send Amaka to go bring the black soup, so we go chop belly full and hunger no go catch us. How you day? How your day they go? The week don't almost end, and very soon, another week we go start. What thing you don't achieve this week? If you know say you never achieve anything, don't forget say one day still there for you to actually make a difference for inside this new week. Yes, this is not the show where we say we can talk about everything with the trend for inside society, with the chook our mouths inside, with the drop our own opinions on top of the table, and with the help everybody know say things level the way it's supposed level na talk with they call the name of the show. And my name na Betiana Onwili, but the beautiful, wonderful, intelligent, splufic like we they always they call us ladies, then go introduce themselves.
All right. All right, we don't come today as usual, but don't forget say our Twitter day there for you at Talk Wazobia. My name still remains Uvi Ehigamusoi, and welcome to Talk.
All right, now, Nadia, my own name still remain Queen Bee. Yes, we get plenty things await you today. We get our stories where they trend for markets. We go carry on from there. Can't give you. We'll also get wear or throw away. Yes, now those things where you go keep or you know go want and make it near you at all. And also we get our old school videos where we go send you, make you know say yes, the olden days did they exist till now. Nadia, we want to start the show and we go sunch us the news.
The news.
Yes, and news where they trend now. What's in they go on?
I know say they somehow say Amaka not there here because
yes,
we always full.
I miss
our student. I tell you.
Amaka,
my name Amaka.
But we miss Amaka, and then definitely tomorrow we'll go get Amaka inside the studio.
Yes.
All right, waiting they hot. Now, ladies, now don't hear about Nadia Buhari.
Hey, the matter it is hot. We are not one. I cannot believe what we reach. Make you say the story different.
Now we know say for like 2 weeks now or thereabout, and people don't they send some kind, don't they see better news where they talk say she don't born twins. Even some people they talk say na Jim Ike own. Some say not be Jim Ike own. Because now interesting story. I want born twins.
You go born twins.
But she use and robbers.
Amen. So now Ghanaian actress Nadia Buhari, she don't confirm to source say the president of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, now the father of her twins.
Oh, Turu Beke.
Are you kidding me?
The president is single.
You know what? No, why this was serious?
You said shock, girl.
I swear. No, I don't know it. I don't know what type of day. Nadia Buhari, are you serious?
You said, why? Not be human being, the man being a man.
Okay, according to this pretty Ghanaian actress, she talks here, they're very confident who will be, and one day Mahama will be too. He said, as a young mom, she did look forward to hear from the president, who will be H.E. John Mahama, the man who got me pregnant in one night stand, and urges him to come forward now to make it known to the public. I don't want to say. Is this really Nadia Buhari?
That's see.
He said. They also talk say for the story. They talk say the award-winning actress Nadia Buhari. Okay, yes, we know say she put to bed baby of twins. Say you don't need a soothsayer to tell you, nor do you need a fake prophet to spell it out to you that John Mahama is the father of her twins. Now within the person they come outside talk this particular source. Now within they come outside talk say once you see the Peking, you they see the president of Ghana will be John Dramani Mahama for the face of the Peking.
Whoa.
OMG, which one I think, ladies?
Okay. First of all, this story now, according to Afro News, because the story is strong, we need to name the source.
Just in case
now, AfroNews.com, now we get the story from. But at the same time, Nadia, you know, say before, Queen Bee Abi who they tell me say they beef the girl. They say the girl beauty they annoying. Maybe it's just fine. You go they vex. Say, why you go fine like this? That's so her beauty being a very beautiful girl. But at the same time, like one of our producers asked, say, so she they do one night stand. It's very surprising because these are people where younger generation they look up to say, okay, actress, fine girl, everything. She they act, and I won't be like when I grew up. But no parents won't be like person where they do one night stand with the president of in country. Some people go say a good opportunity, but me I say I know they're disappointed because na her life and she no be small picking. But at the same time, I dey wonder how the first lady of Ghana won't feel right about now. Even the president, which I want to take using citizens, say yes, I do one night stand. Because definitely, as you don't do with Nadia Buhari, no be the first time when they do this kind of thing. Now just say this time, maybe the girl say, okay, this one I go die there, or she turn bone for inside the neck where she no gree come out. It's one of the two things. But at the same time, this kind of matter, I hope say na joke. Maybe they go just say, oh no, na for one movie.
Tiana, calm down. Wait till you they talk safe. If I want talk, I go say she waka well. Yes. Now Africans will be.
Yes.
Men they marry 10 wives. They marry 11 wives. They marry 4 wives. Say president. Say because if he president, no me say blood no they flow for him body.
Of course.
Say Nadia they do one night stand. You must test water before you continue to drink them.
Okay.
It go down sweet. You go down test kunu one day. To say, oh, this thing good. Actually, then you they introduce people to ram. Drink them, they nice. It just be like as Chika introduce us to smoothie. She say, "Mokusta, now myself can't do research past she now. They do smoothie different types. So I tell you, not be bad thing. Nowhere where you know if you find love. Yes, I understand. Say now president, but Mr. President, it don't happen. And after 9 months, that thing what they do for Koro, it have come to bang bang. And to me, you work out well. Thank God, say no be one person who all of us go say, yeah, why? Because they thought say some people will fine. They know they use their brain. Actually, this one worked well for her.
Do you know what? In this particular story, just make me remember our new segment where we go out during this show, where they call Amiibo Corner.
Yes.
Amiibo Corner. Because this particular one, sharp Amiibo. Really. Sharp Amiibo. But I don't believe saying that true, my sisters. I don't believe saying that true.
If we say to me,
I don't believe saying that true.
Congratulations, girlfriend.
No, but even if not true, my own issue be say yes, everybody they do them. Even the president of the United States they do them. But
yeah,
now the way where you go portray them, not be something where you go throw into the face of the public. The citizens no go accept them.
Okay, but you go tell me, say, this story, to me, I don't feel say they authenticated enough. Because if you did, Nadia no go ever come out, come talk, say. Yeah, come outside. They know where they meet. So they go know how they go talk the matter.
Unless if she get another plan for...
You understand? So maybe she they distract people like person we talk and they distract people to go Mr. President.
Thank God for...
You don't see her with Mr.
Thank
President.
God for this thing what we get for here. Now, according to the new report we just get, they say the stepfather of the Nadia Buhari don't come outside talk, say, it a verse.
Okay.
See, when they see this guy rumor for, say that John Mahama, they won't spoil this man family. Hey, cheers.
The president, because I know that the president they get issue already for inside the country.
So somebody just...
But I just think, this saying, in every rumor there's an element of truth.
So maybe she don't dare with the president, but not being get belly.
What I talk? I say, you work out well.
You just like saying the president.
Excuse me.
You are excused.
Don't pick will go so far this time around. So, you see when they say
you can give birth for the president of Nigeria.
Excuse me.
You can.
Tuale baba. Will you say go deny me? So I get that opportunity. I don't make use of now.
Okay, what of vice president?
Vice president. That man cute.
Queen Bee.
That man is someone cute.
Okay, what of governor of Edo State?
So surely it's my in-law. It's my in-law. I go humble myself.
Okay, Rivers State to call.
What?
Delta State to call.
No, Rivers State does okay with that word.
Delta State my senior brother. It's my senior brother. But Rivers State, the menu, but
Cross River.
Maybe you're a celebrity. Watch the words you say. I want to see how breaking news.
Queen Bee of Talk Wazobia
TV says she can give birth for the president of Nigeria.
They're not going to talk about that. They're going to say Queen Bee
We
of
go
Wazobia
blow.
TV, president of Nigeria. And that will attract crowd.
All right, we will actually follow up the story.
Yes, we go follow him up.
We go follow him up to actually. We'll send Amaka go Ghana to go and meet with the president. All right, so then we enter inside Egypt. Now, 164 years old woman for Egypt, will be Abu Daho. Now, she don't receive some kind of awards from the local government for inside Egypt. Why? Because she now the woman breadwinner of her family. Now you go to wonder, say, what be woman breadwinner? What happen? Why? Now, the reason why she could be this award now because, say, for 43 years, she acts as man to take support her family.
Whoa.
43
Na man be
years.
that?
Na
A
man, my
woman
sister.
wey act as
Now,
man.
woman will act as man.
Okay.
Now, that she said she lost her husband for 3 years ago while she did pregnant with their only child, baby girl. And you know, say for the community where she did that, they found out women made them know they work. So she not get any other ways to train up her pikin well to provide for food. So that can decide to dress like man, and she can be shoemaker. They say she and black and masculine shoes. She they wear them around, dressed like man, and she can decide to work to earn a decent living rather than beg on the streets to provide food for the table. According to her, she say, I prefer working in hard labor like lifting bricks and cement bags, and also cleaning shoes to begging in the streets in order for her to get money for herself and for her daughter and her children. He says, so as to protect myself from men and the harshness of their looks and how they go treat her, she can't decide to dress as man and dress in their clothes and walked alongside them in other villages where nobody know her.
Yeah.
Because of this one, the local government for inside Egypt don't award this woman. Say, yes, this bravery where you do, for this courage where you get to dress as man for 43 years, say you actually do better thing. Now, we know say we hear am for Paddy show today, but the reason why we bring am come talk now because we want to ask this particular question. You fit stay husband house and you no go work?
That husband go try. We go divorce so that I go work because I don't understand why God give me hand, first of all. He give me hand. He get one of my lecturer these days. He go say, be proud of your fingers. He say, this thing where you see for your front, so they call hand, it no fit deceive you, no go lie to you. But you go use your brain to communicate with them. That's, you tell your brain, tell you, say, oh, this thing now work. Then you decide to work. But if you tell your brain, say, okay, now thief, I want to use them, the hand go do one. So now waiting, you send them, now he go do to you. I really believe in my hands. But for that woman for 43 years, that one they call virtuous woman for Bible.
Oh, yes.
Because for her to go that length, even measure up with the men, they polish shoe, they do all those things. And they leave her own village go. I don't go Egypt before, and I see them. The ones who want poor, they poor finer. But the men, they treat the women anyhow because why? Now then they go work, they work come. Tomorrow, if you don't hear say your husband don't marry another wife because you don't get say, now they be the breadwinner and you don't get where you want go. But for this kind of woman too, decide say yes, I won't pick the courage and me won't go they hustle this thing. To her later. This one I be the woman where they're supposed to celebrate.
Yes. Oh, yes.
They really need to celebrate this one. And they really do well for them to even give her awards. I just hope they'll take her off the streets, give her like a better job.
Of course, I guess they will.
Yeah.
Yes, I really appreciate the woman courage because 43 years no be beans. But at the same time, I believe say, or I feel rather, said the community now where they don't see and say woman actually fit work, especially under this kind circumstances where we say her husband don't buy tete. If they not say because it they better make you see women they work than make you can't see people they beg for streets. Now waiting me I feel so make them actually look into the whole law of say make woman no work or anything. But at the same time. I no go fit day husband house man I no work because I know allow jam me like 2 or 3 times. I don't forget.
Okay.
Before
I break my own news. I jam me 4 times. 4 times.
Imagine. I know go school with all the strike, extra years of strike while I did school for nothing. Say make I just go be trophy wife, sit down for inside one man house. Yes, even if the man be the richest man on earth, I go still want to do something because I know come this world to day inside one man house just pose like a lamposa. No.
For me, I not go fit actually stay man house without say I work. Now I understand say some men they feel say because of this women empowerment.
Men.
Say some women now because they don't want stay man house without say they work because they want form boss for house. But really apart from that, apart from the normal thinking way the men they think, which not be true, I just feel say for a woman to support the family. It will actually leave the weight of the man, some weight of the man. Again, one time on radio, we they asked this question, say, how you supposed to do the sharing formula between a man and a woman? and you go see some men that will send message say na 50-50.
Oh.
Some go send message say my husband, they do anything at all. Na me they do 80%. Now why the man they do 20%? You go see a lot. But I just feel say it get advantage for a woman to they work.
Yes.
Now when I mean work, if they get some men where they talk say I don't want my wife they work for office. Maybe they call another man boss or sir. Fine, open small shop. Just as in work. It's not compulsory say you must work for inside company, but they work, they earn money, they support the family.
They exchange naira to
support the
cover
family.
and everything they move.
Like get one example what I give one time. Nothing wrong if my husband could tell me say, I don't see one land for us, so and the land at 2 million, but I get 1.9 million. I bet if you give me 100,000, that is something.
As in, just tell and say, honey, hold on. Just go inside your safe. That's if you don't get to go back. Bring the money, give her. The man goes shock.
I tell you. Women need to support. You go see some women where be say up to waiting that they wear under their clothes, and the man they bring.
Yes.
So which mouth you won't even get?
Which mouth you won't get?
If you say sit down, you go sit down. If you say breathe, you go breathe. If you say no breathe, you go gas to hold your breath because now him they do everything for you.
And
if you notice something, so most of those women where they inside abuse marriage. You understand?
Yeah.
Where they decide to stay when the man they kill, where you go, they say, you don't feel leave the house. Wait. Now, woman where she don't get anything where she they do because some of them, if you actually they go office, you they see when she go say the husband they call her, oh honey, they communicate. You yourself,
anyhow.
You yourself go say sure. So if this girl feed do I'll feed do. So most of them are those housewife.
Yes, and they don't get say like within Betty at all. They not fit talk, they not fit control. They our producer just asked us say, what if the house na 2 million, the man get 800,000 and they beg you for 1.2? Excuse me.
Now me be the landlady.
No. Nothing bad if you bring the 1.2, but the issue be say you go feel handle and say your wife get money pass you because man ego no go allow him. No, and that time you can't say this money where you get. All those late nights where you spend for your office, you they do overtime with your oga. Your oga they dash you money. Wait till you they do where your oga they dash you money. Now that time they go bring up.
You know what I discover? Some men go talk say nothing they bad if my wife they work and her money she they plenty past my own. But now when they enter the marriage, now then you go see the men true character. If the woman do small thing, they go start to talk say. Is it because you are earning more than me? Is it because you are earning more than me? That's why I don't have say in the house. So men and they are
so maybe she just decide say, let's change this chair. If I tell him now, he go they drag and make her just do one. So you go just surprise you, don't cook the way for you, just come. Where do you get the chairs from? Will they go small break? When we come back, we'll continue.